man. The 17 wards in our LGA. Haven't seen all the deficiencies. Haven't had very successful town hall meetings where I listen from you directly, not sending somebody. Haven't listened to the call of above 10,000 youths. Haven't also considered that enforcer of good governance has 67,000 members in ONELGA. And haven't also consulted my family, knowing that they are willing to give me the next 3 years to serve you and not them. I, Dr. Kingsley Ogu, the son of a teacher, hereby declare formally, officially, that I'm throwing my heart to the ring. Today, I say yes, because you are contesting to me. And this is why I will always, you can see it my mothers, you can see it my fathers, you can see it my fellow youths. Look at the joy that our governor February is bringing to grassroots. Look at all of you, how happy you are. I cannot dream. Young ones cannot dream and pursue our dreams. This is because the governor has asked us to dream. Take back the power. Power belongs to you. This power people are proud of belongs to you. Yes. You have to rejoice. You have to be happy. Because under me, there will be employment. There will be grants. There will be opportunities for people. Mothers will eat. Fathers will eat. There will be quality education. Hold me responsible if I don't do that. You know me already for those who are from again. You know the impacts that I've had. I have above 60 people that are paying. If money was the issue, I won't contest. But the issue is to liberate you. The issue is to make sure that your children have what it takes to take care of you when you are sick, to bring food to your table. So today, you are going to make a choice. That choice will be whether to continue with the bad way or a new way, full of hope, realistic hope, a new way being championed by a youth who understands the pain and agony my fellow youth that are jobless are going through. The choice is yours today. I'm doing my part. I can assure you that posterity will be kind to me. The reason being that I'm using my heart in morning. I'm not in government. But to let you know how prepared I am, because I knew this day would come. I supported the governor. Still supporting the governor. I had 17 programs, successful 17 programs, when those who are even appointed today, some of them, were protesting because their boss was never given the tickets. Yes. I worked tirelessly. I overlapped. I taught man. I mobilized students, and we won. When the deputy governor called and asked me, what do I need? I told her, Mommy, all I need is education for the children of the poor. She's alive. Ask her. When the problem broke out in the States, why people were afraid, some of them were here and there. I took decision. I stood firm, stood by the governor, mobilized above 1,500 people to government house, a solidarity war. Initiated a recalling process for those misfiring, those erring legislators that went there to sign against the will of the people. I did that. In all the programs he has been, I have been supportive. This time, nobody have excuse. For those who also want to contest with me, I am open to fair competition. Because I know that the governor will not take side. Because we are all simplified. Because we are all simplified. And as a father, if two children are fighting or are in competition, You provide a free level playing ground. This is why God is answering your prayer. When TB Joshua said a few years ago that the youth will take over very soon, they thought he was joking. Now, have we not taken over? Have we not taken over? When I resumed on the 7th of October, because the election will be 5th of October, which is a Saturday, and then Sunday, the next day will be Sunday, which is 6th. On the 7th, when I will resume with good actions. Just go and pray. Consider me in prayers. Consider the governor in prayers. Consider his deputy in prayers. Consider Sir Dr. Peter Odili, our father that has been there for the youth. Look at the time. Look at, he is one leader who empowered the youth so much. When he was governor, he brought Emechi. Emechi was in his early 30s, early 20s. He brought in Michael Sabi. He brought in even, look at them, as at then, which he was government chairman. He made all these young people. These people have built their places. These people have built their places. All the ones he made in ONELGA, all of them, no one is building ONELGA. Instead, they are destroying what? ONELGA. Why are we like this? Can the government make the bad? If it were those days when Dr. Peter was a governor, and then he sees all these things I'm doing, he doesn't even need to meet me. I don't even need to meet him. I don't even need to see him. He will send for me and make sure that I go. That was how much he respects youth. But guess what? He also have another opportunity to build another youth. Men he built, majority from ONELGA, were elderly people who never had the interest of the youth at heart. I have their interest at heart. Today, God will say something. Banner. Banner. Banner.
Because we've been disappointed so many times. But because of Kingsley Ogu, I will do what I can humanly do in order for him to be in that position. So he ought to be voted for.
So just tell us a bit of his antecedents. What specifically has he done?
One thing that interested me in Kingsley have empowered many youths. One, he is interested for education. That is the motion I love him so much.
Thank you.
All right, I'll ask you as a final question. Elections, they always come with some kind of agitations and issues. Unlike you are a bit later than to a very young people who want to contest in this election and participate. What's your advice to them?
My advice to all the supporters of Dr. Kingsley Ogu is to follow every situation with peace and also commit everything in the hands of God. Because if God says yes, nobody, no matter who you are, will stop Kingsley to be there.
Thank you very much. And then again, sir.
I am Mr. Brown and Udoma, caretaker CVC chairman.
Thank you.
Brown, Udoma.
Yes.